If you see shingles on the ground, your roof may already be damaged. Many homeowners are now dealing with roof shingle damage. Loose or lifted shingles can quickly turn into leaks. This homeowner noticed shingles lifting after the storm. Our team inspected the roof to locate the damaged area. Safety always comes first when working on a roof. We carefully removed the damaged shingles. New shingles were installed following the correct pattern. Each shingle was properly nailed and secured. This helps prevent future wind damage. The roof is now fully repaired and secured. If you see shingles on the ground or notice lifted areas on your roof, it's best to repair them before the next storm. Gala Solutions LLC. Roof repairs, decks, fences. Serving Marysville and Union County. Call or text for an inspection. 786-379-3273 or 3802-867-234.